Learn the use of verb na-ebi. In English, na-ebi means is living in sentences. We are going to use this verb na-ebi in our sentences right now. Let us start. Igbo, English. Number one sentence says, Ọ na-ebi n'ụlọ ahịa ya. Ọ na-ebi n'ụlọ ahịa ya, meaning he is living in his shop. Remember, all here is our pronoun. It represents both he and she, and it also. Another example, Ego na-ebi n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ego na-ebi n'ụlọ akwụkwọ, meaning Ego is living in the school. Ha na-ebi n'udo. Ha na-ebi n'udo, meaning they are living in peace. Here you can see that this our verb here is no longer is but are because of this pronoun, this plural pronoun, they, ha. Another example, Ego na-ebi n'ụlọ ọhụrụ ahụ. Ego na-ebi n'ụlọ ọhụrụ ahụ. Ego is living in that new house. Ahụ here it means that in English. Another example, Ọ na-ebi n'ebe tere anya. Ọ na-ebi n'ebe tere anya, meaning he is living in far place. Remember, we use the same color code to write same words both in English and the Igbo. Is living means ọ na-ebi. Ego here is ego. School, in the school, n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. This will help you and guide you to understand Igbo language very fast by identifying same words with the same color code. Remember, our verb here is living, na-ebi. Here we have are living because of this plural, they. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.